Let's have a ball.
Every weekend, we use a karaoke app and a Bluetooth speaker to turn our living room into a stage. These nights remind me how lucky I am to have a family that loves being silly together. Life's meaning isn't in big things, it is in moments like this. Tech help us make more of them. Technology like our cell phones and Bluetooth speaker turns our living room into a mini concert stage every weekend. The karaoke app lets us access endless songs while the speaker amplifies our laughter and off-key singing. These bonding activities reveals that connection and joy are what makes life meaningful for me. Even simple tech tools help us create memories that remind me of gratitude for my family's time together and the purpose of cherishing moments with loved ones.